Hi, in this video we'll be going through a hands-on tool of the model for analysis of energy demand. Having installed the MAED software on the computer, this video will instruct you how you can begin to use the model. Please be advised, this video should not be watched alone in order for the completion of the hands-on exercise, and the document needs to be read as well. So, to begin with, we're going to be looking at how to manage case studies in the MAED model. The hands-on walks through this. However, this video will be showing you the practical end of it. Please do read the information that there is on the hands-on. So one of the first things to do is to understand whether you'll be using the MAED or the MAED model. In this instance, we'll be walking you through the MAED model. When we go to the MAED model, we will see that there is a few options. There is creating new case studies, restoring old case studies, and there's also a demo case study existent. In this case, what we want to do is we want to understand what can be done with this. So with the demo case study, there is three options. There is copying the case, backing up the case, or deleting the case. Copying the case is for the purposes of building on top of an already existing case without damaging some of the previous information that already exists in it. At the same time, within this, there is also the tab over here which says Manage Case Studies, and here is when you find the general information. Now let's look at how the demo MAED looks like. Once we click on it, this page appears. In this page, there's the General Information tab, which contains the majority of the information with respect to the model. So there's the name, the years, case descriptions, units of the various inputs into the model that have been already defined over here. Let's now work through this. In order to do this, we would want to make a copy of the demo case study in order not to damage it. For that, we click on Manage Case Studies, and then we click on Copy Case. We'll see that a new case has been created called Demo MAED Copy. Now, let's declare definitions of a case study. To do this, we will be working on the Demo MAED Copy case. In this case, we click on the Demo MAED Copy case. We can see over here that the case still has the same name as the previous one, Demo MAED. So, if we went back over here, we'll see that they have the exact same name, except here there is a copy, but once we click on it, the name is the same. We'd want to change this. So what we do over here is we click on the name of the case study, and on Demo MAED, we add a 1. Once we've added a 1, we click on the Save Data so that we save it, and we can see over here that it says that we have successfully managed to save the data. Here are the units of this specific case study. These can be changed as well. So let's say if we're going to change the population unit from millions to thousands, we click on thousands and then we click on Save. This will be saved as well. And then if we want to change it back to millions, we click on millions, save, and this will be saved as well. The next thing to understand is how to navigate the main menu in MAED. So by using the demo case over here, we can see over here the different sectors that are represented. So let's, for example, click on the socioeconomic data. We'll see that there is over here different items that have been defined, their units, and the numbers for their different years. These show you what the model looks like up to this point. The main point to note the difference on is the shaded cells and the non-shaded cells. The shaded cells are a result of calculations made by the tool. Shaded cells are blocked for editing. So for example, the 2015 population number I cannot edit. This one, however, can be edited if need be. Now let's look at how we add new years in the study. So if we look at the socioeconomic data, we have 2010, 15, 20, and 25. Let's go over to energy intensities and let's look at industry. The same situation stands over here. We have 2010, 2015, 2020, and 2025. In order to change this, what we need to do is we need to go back to the General Info tab. Here we see the years as they have been defined. So what we're gonna do over here is we're gonna add 2030, 2035, 2040, 2045, and 2050, and we click on save. Once we've saved this data, we can go back to the socioeconomic data and see that the new years have been presented over here. Again, if the cell is not shaded, data can be put into it. If the cell is shaded, data cannot be put into it because it is a result of the calculation of the model. If we go now to the industry sector, we can see that the same situation stands over here. The years have been added, and in the shaded boxes we cannot input any data, and the non-shaded ones we can input data. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that this was useful to you.